Hey guys, my name's Scoops Martin. Welcome back to another kata. This one is going to be the classic FizzBuzz problem. It's where we write a short program that prints each number from 1 to 100 on a new line. For each multiple of 3, we're going to print fizz instead of the number. For each multiple of 5, we're going to print buzz instead of the number. If the number is multiple of both 3 and 5, we're going to print FizzBuzz instead of the number. Let's get right into it. We'll write a test. 1 converts 1. And we're going to make sure that 1 comes out as 1. And we're failing because we don't have a method yet. This one's going to have a int, and it's going to return a string. Alright, let's check if 2 converts 2. We have 2 and 2. Let's write an if statement here. If n equals 1, we're going to return what we're returning. Else, we're going to return 2. Passing. Next, let's see if 3 converts fizz. It should come back as fizz if we put the number 3 in. And we're failing. Let's put another if statement in here. If n equals 2, return 2. If not, return fizz. Alright, so 4 should return 4. It's not divisible by 3 or 5. Alright, so if n equals 4, return 4. I think we can refactor this a little bit though. Instead of checking all those if statements, let's just check if it's equals 3, return fizz, and if not, we're going to integer.toString in. And we are still passing. Go back to 5, should return buzz. If n equals 5, return buzz. Okay, now what about 6? That should return fizz because it's divisible by 3. The least amount of code we can write to solve that is to add a modulo here. Alright, now 10 would be the next thing to fail. It's divisible by 5, so it should return buzz. And we can do the same thing, a modulo in here. And everything should be passing. The next failing test I can think of is 15 is divisible by 3 and 5. And I think we need another if statement in here. If n equals 15, it's the least amount of code to make the test pass. Alright, now 30. That's the next thing I could think of failing. I think we can solve this by just another modulo. Yeah. Now we gotta test if it can print, because that's the other part of the equation. When testing printing in Java, it gets a little complicated. Let's see. Conversions to 100. So first we're gonna have to store our system out that has been printing, because that's not gonna give us any data. Now we're gonna create a byte array output, and then we're gonna set that system out. New print stream, and we're going to put that there. That'll capture everything. We're going to write our method. It's going to be print. It's going to do what we need it to do. Print all the numbers from 1 to 100. And then we're going to do a print array equals, let's turn this to string and then split it by each new line character. And we're going to make sure that we're going to make a for loop that can check that everything is being printed 1 to 100. So if I comes back and it converts I plus 1, we should be gold. And then, last step is we need to take our system out and set it back to our original standard out. So let's go over and create our print method. And it should go to 100 and system out, and it should convert I plus 1. And we are passing, and just to demonstrate that everything is working, I'm going to come over here and do it with our system out. FizzBuzz.print. because our system out is set back of 1 through 100. Thank you for watching my kata, guys. I hope y'all have a good one.